Today we'll start the next topic, that is differentiation. And differentiation, what is differentiation? Today we'll talk about derivatives of composite function. Before explaining that derivatives of composite function, we'll talk about derivatives of standard function. What are standard function? Before that, we should know what is derivatives. Derivatives means we have to find out, we need to do differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, the differentiation of y with respect to x will be denoted by dy by dx. It means derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, and y will be a function of x. Okay, y is a function of x. So dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x, yeah, differentiation of y with respect to x will be denoted by f dash x. Okay, so y is a function of x, so we can write y is equal to fx. मतलब x के term में it will be a function, so y will be equal to a function. Y is a function of x, मतलब कि y का जो value होगा that will be in terms of x square 1, x square plus 2x plus 1 या 7x या x cube या root under x या e to the power x, anything. So x के term में that will be a function with respect to x, and derivative of y with respect to x will be denoted by f dash x. Okay, now we'll talk about some standard function. So if y is equal to k, that is a constant, in that case dy by dx will be equal to 0. Why? Because k doesn't consist any x का value, like k x रहता तो it will be k, but it is k, that is a constant, so we cannot whenever will do differentiation of y with differentiation of k with respect to x, will get 0. Okay, so now if we have a value y is equal to x, so it means dy by dx will be equal to, y का value is x, so dx by dx will be 1. If y is equal to x, or in that case dy by dx will equal to, how is it working? 2 is there, power is 2, so we'll write 2 first, and then x ka power will be 2 minus 1. It will decrease, 1 power will decrease. So 2 will be here, and x ka power will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. So it will be 2x. Similarly, if y ka value is root under x, then what will be the value of dy by dx? क्या होगा? It will be 1 upon 2 root under x. क्यों होगा ये? See, if y का value is root under x का मतलब है y का x will be equal to, x का power is, yes, 1 upon 2. x का power is 2, मतलब x square. तो root under x will be, x का power will be 1 upon 2. So when the power is 1 upon 2, it will be here it will be 1 upon 2 आगे होगा, then we'll write x का power 1 upon 2 minus 1, because 1 decrease करेगा, so when we'll subtract this, we'll get 1 upon 2 into x का power minus 1 upon 2. So it will be 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2, मतलब it will be 1 upon root under x. ठीक है, so that's why the value of the derivative of y, when y is equal to root under square root of x, then the derivative of y will with respect to x will be equal to 1 upon 2 root under x. Y का value is 1 upon x. If the value of y is 1 upon x, then what will be the value of dy by dx? क्या होगा value? Okay, see, when we are writing 1 upon x, इसका मतलब क्या है? x का power minus 1. Okay, so derivative will be minus 1 will write here, and then x का power will be again minus 1 करेंगे हम, will subtract 1. So it is already minus 1, then minus 1. It will be minus x का power minus 2, मतलब minus 1 upon x का power 2. the derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to minus 1 upon x square. Okay. If the value of y is equal to x ka power n, okay, x to the power n, then what will be the value of dy by dx? Then dy by dx will be equal to n, we'll write n multiplied by x to the power n minus 1. Okay. So this will be the value of dy by dx, derivatives of y with respect to x. Now we'll talk about the value, another value. If the value of y is equal to a to the power x, okay, if the value of y is a to the power x, then the value of dy by dx will be equal to ax and multiplied by log of a. Okay, so this will be the value of y with respect to x. When y ka value is a to the power x, derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to a to the power x into log of a. Okay, this will be multiplied by log of a. Now next value, if y ka value, the value of y is e to the power x, exponential. Okay, so in that case there will be no change, dy by dx will be equal to ex. Okay, there will be no change. Okay, and if y ka value is equal to log of x, if the value of y is log of x, then the value of dy by dx will be equal to 1 upon x. So these are the standard value. These are the derivatives of some standard function. Like this is one function, this is a function, these are some functions. Okay, if y ka value is something, then what will be the value of derivative of y with respect to x? Okay, u and v are some differentiable functions of x. Okay, these are some differentiable functions of x, and y ka value is given u plus v. Okay, so y ka value is given u plus v. In that case, dy by dx will be equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. So these two, both du and dv, will be differentiable. Why? Because u is a function of x and v is a function of x, and y is equal to u plus v. So u and v are not constant. These are some functions of x. In case if y is equal to u minus v, okay, so what will be the value of dy upon dx? So dy upon dx will be equal to, because u and v both are differentiable functions of x, so this will be differentiable. So du upon dx minus dv upon dx. ठीक है, ये होगा function. Because why it is like this? Because u and v are not constant. U and v are some differentiable functions of x. Value of y is u into v. Okay. So in that case, then the value of dy by dx will be equal to, क्या होगा dy by dx का value? There are two things, u and v. So both are a differentiable function of x. Okay. So इसे भी हम differentiate कर सकते हैं, इसे भी. But at a time we cannot do both. Okay. So what we'll do? In first one, we'll take u को constant, we'll take as constant, and we'll derivative sum v का निकालेंगे. So dy by dx, dv by dx plus, this is multiplication, so we'll do plus. Now we'll keep v constant and u को हम उसका derivative निकालेंगे. So v multiplied by, so u multiplied by this, then v multiplied by du upon dx. We have a function y is equal to u upon v. Okay, u upon v. In that case, what we'll do? If we have to find out the derivative dy upon dx हमें find out करना है, so हम क्या करेंगे? In this one, u and v both, first of all we'll take v common, because u is there, तो u का हम derivative निकालेंगे. v constant du upon dx. Now यहाँ पे हम multiplication use करें, so we were doing addition. when we have to we are using in y, the function is division के form में है, so in that case we'll use subtraction. Okay, so now what we'll do, v का डेरिवेटिव निकालेंगे, u को कांस्टेंट रखेंगे and dv upon dx and divided by v square. Okay, so this will be the value, but in this case v square cannot be equal to 0. Okay, so v cannot be equal to 0, v 0 नहीं होगा, because if v will be 0, v square भी 0 होगा ना, and denominator numerator can be 0 but denominator cannot be 0 na, it will be, then it will give infinity, not defined result. Okay, some more function we'll see. If y is equal to ku and u is a function of differentiable function of x, so ku, k is constant, so dy upon dx will be equal to, k will be constant. Okay, so k will be constant because that is constant and u is differentiable, so du upon dx. Okay, so now we'll see some composite functions, derivatives of composite functions we have to do. So y is equal to function of u, so y is a function of u, not function of x. तो y एक फंक्शन है u के टर्म में, लाइक u स्क्वायर प्लस u प्लस 3u प्लस 2u या e टू द पावर u या u log of u या समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, सो a टू द पावर u ऐसे कुछ भी है. सो u के टर्म में देयर इज सम फंक्शन, y इज अ फंक्शन, y इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ u, मतलब u के टर्म में दिस इज अ फंक्शन. So this can be, this is a differentiable function of u. U का एक differentiable function है, when we have to divide it by with respect to u, dy by du करेंगे तो we'll get some value because this is a function of u and u is a function of g. Okay, so sorry, u is a function, u is equal to gx, मतलब u is a function of x. So u x के टर्म में कोई फंक्शन है and y is function of u. Okay, so how we'll find out the value dx, dy by dx? So dy by dx can be equal to dy upon, see dy जो है वो फंक्शन है u के टर्म में, so can we divide this by du with respect to u? हम we can find out the derivatives, we can find out y का derivative we can find out with respect to u. Okay, and when we are dividing du, so we can multiply du, so there will be no change in the so if y is a function of y is a function of u and u is a function of x, so dy by dx will be equal to dy by du. When we'll find out the derivative of y with respect to u, there will we can find out na, क्योंकि u is a differentiable function of y is a differentiable function of u. So if we are dividing by u, we can multiply by u, there will be no change and divided by dx. Okay, so u को हम dx find out कर सकते because du is a function of x, तो du x के term में है, so we can find out the derivative of u with respect to x and we can find out the derivative of y with respect to u. So हमने किया क्या है, dy by dx is there, du हमने just divide किया du से and multiply किया du से, that तो we'll get this. So this kind of thing is called, this kind of function is called chain rule. This kind of rule is called chain rule because we dy by dx हमने किया and dy by du multiplied by du by dx. Okay, so similarly this is a simple generalization. We can see dy by dx can be equal to dy by dx1 into dx1 by dx2 into dx2 by dx3 into dot something upon dx n and dx n divided by dx. Okay, so basically this is called chain rule. Chain rule का generalization ऐसा होता है. I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.